Have you ever wondered what it's like to be born different? To have a physical feature that sets you apart from the rest of the world? In this video, we will introduce you to 5 amazing people who were born with rare and unique conditions. These are some of the most incredible stories of human diversity. Watch till the end to find out how they cope with their challenges and celebrate their differences. Number 1 on our list is the story of a young man named Wazir from Jaipur, India. Wazir was born with osteogenesis imperfecta, a condition that makes his bones extremely fragile. Despite having fractured over 300 bones in his life, Wazir has never let his condition define him. Instead, he has chosen to rise above his challenges and inspire others with his resilience. He has become a beacon of hope for many on Instagram, amassing a following that spans the globe. His posts, filled with positivity and determination, have touched the hearts of millions. Yes, there are those who choose to mock him, to call him names like alien or monkey. But Wazir does not let these voices of negativity deter him. He chooses instead to focus on his dreams, to strive for his goals, and to live his life with courage and conviction. Wazir's story is a testament to the power of the human spirit. It reminds us that no matter what obstacles we face, we have the strength within us to overcome them. So let us take inspiration from Wazir's journey and remember that our challenges do not define us. It is how we choose to face them that truly matters. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share with you the story of Gavin, a beacon of resilience and joy. Gavin lives with a rare medical condition called lymphatic malformation, a challenge that could easily overshadow the spirit of many. But not Gavin. He is a testament to the power of positivity, a child whose spirit remains unbroken. His family, initially overwhelmed by the rarity and complexity of his condition, found strength in adversity. They chose to embrace life, to appreciate its beauty amidst the trials. They turned their struggle into a mission, sharing Gavin's journey on social media, not just to raise awareness, but to extend a hand of solidarity to others on a similar path. In this journey, they discovered a community, a sense of purpose, and a deeper appreciation for life. They learned the importance of seeking support, of staying positive, and of finding joy even in hardship. They found that raising a child with a visible difference was not just a challenge, but a rewarding journey that has enriched their lives. So, let Gavin's story inspire us all. Let it remind us that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, that every hardship carries the seed of a greater benefit. And above all, let it teach us that even in the face of adversity, there is always a reason to smile. Thank you. I want to share with you the story of a young girl named Lakshmi. Born with a unique facial structure, she faced challenges from the very beginning. Yet, she didn't let these obstacles define her. At just 8 months old, she underwent surgery, a procedure that gave her the appearance of having 2 noses. The journey was uncertain, there were no guarantees, but Lakshmi and her family held on to hope. Today, Lakshmi is a beacon of strength and resilience. She is a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will. In her village in Uttar Pradesh, India, she is revered as an incarnation of a deity. People come to her for blessings, a testament to her extraordinary spirit. This, she says, feels good. Her mother, Sarvesh, says, Lakshmi is very lucky. Our lives have changed since she was born. We're all better off with Lakshmi in our lives. And isn't that the truth? Each one of us has the power to change lives, to make a difference. Lakshmi's story is a reminder that our challenges do not define us. It is our courage, our resilience, and our spirit that truly shape who we are. So, let us take inspiration from Lakshmi. Let us remember that no matter what we face, we have the strength within us to overcome. We are all better off when we embrace our uniqueness, our individuality. After all, it is our differences that make us extraordinary. I want to share with you a story of resilience, a story of a young girl named Afshin. At just 1 year old, Afshin experienced an accident that changed her life forever. Her neck became permanently stuck in a sideways position due to a fall. Despite the physical challenges, Afshin, now 12, has not let her circumstances define her. She relies on her brother and mother for basic tasks, but she does not let this dampen her spirit. Instead, she has grown in confidence, with the help of her friends and the power of social media. Afshin's story is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. Her mother, Jamilan, and brother hold on to the hope that one day soon, Afshin will undergo surgery to improve her standard of living. Afshin's story is a reminder to all of us that our circumstances do not define us, but how we respond to them does. Let us draw inspiration from Afshin's resilience and determination. Remember, no matter what life throws at you, you have the power to overcome it. This is a story of a man who has defied all odds. A man who stands at 28 inches tall, yet towers above us all in spirit and determination. His name is Kiridhar. When Kiridhar was born, doctors doubted his survival. They said some of his bones had not developed. But Kiridhar proved them wrong. Today, at the age of 42, he is not just surviving, but thriving. Despite his physical challenges, Kiridhar has become a successful shop owner and a passionate teacher. He may require help from his parents for some daily tasks, but when it comes to his students, he stands tall and strong. Kiridhar once said, "Teaching children is an honor and a privilege." This is a man who sees beyond the physical, beyond the challenges, and focuses on the potential within each of us. So, let Kiridhar's story inspire us all. Let it remind us that no matter the odds, no matter the challenges, we can rise above them. We can make a difference. We can make our families proud, just as Kiridhar has made his. Thank you.